Hi everybody, I chose my fun project to do some videos, and so I'm currently a teacher at Brevard High School in Transylvania County, but we are in the process of creating some videos to put on our online catalog for students to be able to kind of view what our classes are all about. And so I've been using this program. It's called WeVideo, and it's actually a free program. You can have up to, I think, 5 free projects, and then you can also kind of include an account where you can have multiple videos. So we actually have an account because we have so many teachers that are making videos, but it's a really cool video editing tool, movie maker kind of thing. And so you just come in, you can create a new video, and I actually have a video that I've already done, so I'm going to go to that I've started on. And so I teach agriculture. I teach specifically animal science classes, and so a lot of the students aren't really sure as far as what I teach and what is involved in my classes. So over the last month or 2 months, I've been in the process of getting videos and pictures together, and so you can actually download your pictures and videos to your Google Drive, which I use quite often, and it'll save directly into a folder if you identify a folder in this application. So I can just take pictures on my cell phone and put it directly on my Google Drive, and it saves all my pictures that I want to use for this program. And so you've got 2 roles, so you can do a video 2 and a video 1. I use the video 1 as the main role as far as where I put my pictures and my videos, and then my video 2 reel is for like your title slides and your credit slides. So this is my title slide, and then as you add pictures, all you have to do is just hold on down to a picture and then drag where you want to put it in your frame. Another great thing about this is that you can also add audio, and so they offer audio clips that are free, and it's just kind of like, I don't know, like basic music, and doesn't really have any specific music that anybody would know. But you can also download your own music too, so like if you have certain songs or playlists or something you want to use, but I've just used their regular music. So and so you can kind of just take whatever clip you want and then drag it down to your audio reel, which is right below your videos. And another cool thing about the audio is you can actually work to drag and fade in and fade out. So if you want to fade in, you can kind of see the blue lines. So as my clips are showing, I've got pictures here, and then I have a short video of a student explaining a class. And so I've just kind of taken this blue bar, and you just kind of drag where you want it to fade. And then you can add different clips in, sound clips. Same thing, you can kind of drag your line where you want it to fade. And then you can also use just the same clip at the same time. And so here's an example. So I use this sound clip here between 2 videos, and so I just silenced it as this video was going of a student explaining, and then just moved it back up as we were moving back to pictures and then to my end slide. So it's a really easy program to use. Also, it's got my favorite, it's got an undo button and a redo button. So if you feel like you've messed up, you can undo, or if you mess up taking something off, you can redo, and it puts it right back where it was. So we'll just kind of play the beginning where you can kind of see how this video works. And so you can watch your edited video over here up in the top, and then when you're finished and you're happy with your editing, you just go up here to this finish button and you hit finish, and it makes a complete video. So I'm not quite finished with mine. I still want to tweak it a little bit, but we'll go ahead and watch a little bit just so you can kind of see how the video works. We'll just watch the editing.
In Animal Science 1, we learned about the foundations of animal care and the evolution of different animals. We also learned about how our agricultural industry provides us with meat and other products from our livestock animals, and my favorite part about this class is getting to work with all the different animals.
And so you can kind of see as your bar goes along, it kind of shows you where you're doing the music is playing along with your pictures. So this is just kind of your reel, and it just shows it up on the screen. And you can pause and readjust if you need to as you're watching and edit where you feel like you need to.
In Animal Science 2, we discover more about the body systems and reproduction of different animals. This class focuses on more scientific principles of genetics and breeding, as well as animal science, economics, and management practices for livestock. My favorite part of this class is hatching duck eggs and learning more about how different animals reproduce.
And so the same thing, you just kind of watch as you're doing your editing here, and you can watch as your pictures come up. You can make your pictures actually last longer if you just kind of drag the edge of your picture. You can make it last longer or shorter, or you can also do like fade in and fade out. You just click on the picture and hit edit, and it gives you a couple of options to do that as well.